In the highly competitive Tehsildar exam conducted by the Punjab Public Service Commission, PPSC, aspirants are required to have a comprehensive understanding of various revenue laws and regulations that govern land and property matters in the state of Punjab, Pakistan. This examination aims to assess the candidate's knowledge of these laws, ensuring that they are well prepared to take on the responsibilities of a Tehsildar. One of the most crucial legislations that candidates need to be well versed in is the Punjab Land Revenue Act of 1967. This act lays down the foundation for the collection of land revenue, land records maintenance, and various matters pertaining to land tenure and land ownership. Candidates are expected to understand the intricacies of this act, including its various sections and provisions, to effectively manage land revenue matters as Tehsildars. Another important piece of legislation is the Punjab Land Records Authority Act of 2017, 66 of 2017. This relatively recent law established the Punjab Land Records Authority, PLRA, and outlined its functions and responsibilities. Candidates must be well acquainted with the provisions of this Act, as it reflects the modernisation efforts in land management. The Board of Revenue Act of 1957 is yet another critical legislation that candidates must study. This Act establishes the Board of Revenue in Punjab and defines its powers and functions. The Board of Revenue plays a supervisory and appellate role in various land revenue matters, making it crucial for Tehsildars to have a sound understanding of its functioning. To complement these major acts, candidates are also required to be familiar with the Punjab Land Revenue Rules of 1968. These rules provide the detailed procedures and guidelines for the implementation of the Punjab Land Revenue Act. They cover aspects such as land assessment, land revenue collection, and dispute resolution, all of which are fundamental for the smooth functioning of revenue administration. The Punjab Tenancy Act of 1887 is another critical law in the exam syllabus. This act deals with the rights and obligations of tenants and landlords, tenancy agreements and eviction procedures. Understanding this act is essential for Tehsildars, as they may have to mediate and resolve disputes between landlords and tenants. Lastly, the Colonisation of Government Lands, Punjab Act of 1912 addresses the allocation and utilisation of government-owned lands in Punjab. Candidates need to grasp the provisions of this Act to efficiently manage land allocation and settlement issues. In conclusion, the Tehsildar exam's focus on these key revenue laws and regulations underscores the significance of land administration in Punjab. Candidates who thoroughly study and understand these acts will be better equipped to handle the complexities of land revenue matters and effectively serve as Tehsildars in the state's revenue administration system.